Hi everyone, welcome to Doris and Kids. My name is Doris. If you're new here, I'm a mom of four that homeschool, work, and just have a lot going on in her life right now. This is my homeschool planner, and this is my weekly planner that I've been using. This is the classic size cover from Happy Planner, and inside I have a passion planner insert that I printed and sized down to be able to use, and it's an already layout. Those two have been working great for me, but for 2024, I want to add more on there that I need to make my life productive. I still want to be as minimalistic as possible because that's just how my life is. Too much stuff just overwhelming, and I don't want to do that with a assistant that's going to help me plan. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write that what I actually need in my planner, and then I'm going to make insert all bad stuff to help me in my 2024. So this is my homeschool planner, and I put a blank page in here just to help me do this real quick. And I got new pens, y'all. My old pen, I have been using it for work and it just disappeared. I think someone's stealing my pen at work. So I got new pens, and I love this brand of pen from Office Max. But this is a blank sheet of paper. I'm going to go and write what I should need for 2024. That way I don't over make or over buy things I don't need. So the first thing I need is for my regular catch-all planner. So that would be my weekly planner. So for just should I call it catch-all? Okay, so catch-all. No, I'll just call it planner. I'll just call it planner, daily planner. So the first thing I need on here is a daily planner. I don't think I should need a daily planner. I need a weekly planner. So a weekly planner, my bi-weekly hourly layout. So for my plan, I need a weekly hourly layout, and I need a monthly view on there. Okay, hopefully I can, okay, weekly hourly layout. I understand that, and then I need a monthly view. That is all I need for my regular day-to-day planner. The other thing I actually need is I need a budget planner because I don't have a budget planner, and for the last 3 months I've been trying to do my budget and have been using a regular piece of paper, which have been working great. You know, it's fine, I like it, but I should organize more of my budget. I feel there's a lot of things lacking and I want to add that on there. So I need a budget planner. And in that budget planner, I want a monthly view. That way I feel like I can use it to track my bills. Bills due date. And then in there, I also need a spending tracker. And then I actually need a monthly budget setup. Okay, and then this would just be where I list all my bill and when to due up here. That's what I'm thinking. And then I also want a sinking fund tracker. I also want to be able to, I was looking through my Amazon, and I was buying a lot of things that I didn't plan for. I feel it was just like, oh, I want this, I'm gonna, buy it. Now I need it. So I want to plan my buying things. I don't know how to say, but I want to have a sheet that I'm gonna write, hey, I need a lawnmower, and then I write a date down, and then do I want to need it, and then wait a couple of months or a couple of days and then buy and put a date in, to kind of prevent me from buying things, impulse buying, control basically. So I want a sheet that's gonna have like maybe plan to buy. Okay, yeah, so plan to buy. And I also want a saving tracker because I am going to save this year. So I need a saving tracker in my budget planner. This is all I need or want in my budget planner. I don't want to overwhelm myself and then just stop budgeting and, just my whole organization system just fail. I want to continue doing it to 2024. This will be my first year, 2024, actually going through of it, throughout my marriage, trying to talk to somebody else about budget and planning. It was not working, and it just ended up being a lot of fight, and I just gave up. And I'm by myself. There's no excuse and why I should not have a budget for the whole year. So I don't want to put too much in there and just overwhelm myself, because I know that's my weakness. I get overwhelmed very easily if I have too much stuff going on. That's why the whole minimalistic lifestyle just works for me. So I don't want to put too much in there. So my next thing I want to have is I want to go back to having me time with God. So I want to have my scripture writing book. I want to have that in there. So I'm just going to write Bible study. And all I want in here, I just want a monthly overview and I just want blank page. I'm also going back to college. I took a break with a lot of things going on. I'm going back trying to work on my prereqs. That way I can apply to nursing school. So I need a college planner for that. I don't want to put it in the kids' homeschool planner because then it just becomes too bulky. And I want to be able to take my planner in my backpack to go. So I want a college planner. And all I want in there, I don't even need a monthly view. All I need is a weekly spread. So something for me to just write down, what is due for that week or what assignment is due, because I'm going to have my syllabus from the professor. I'm just going to put that in the front. So all I need is basically just a weekly page. This is the list I made, and this is what I went by when I was trying to come up with planners. That way I didn't go off the list. I tried to stick with it. So this is what I came up with. I went to Office Max and Office Depot and I got a cover, and this was on sale for $14. And if you don't know, blue is my favorite color. I just love how this feels. I just love this cover, y'all. I just love it. They have pink in there, but pink wasn't on sale. So I got my favorite color, blue, but I feel like pink would have go great with my cup and my laptop cover and stuff. But I love this, okay? Okay, go to the planner. Open it up, it have pockets on the side. And this is the cover sheet it came with. This is just a notebook system. It just had a lot of notebooking pages, and I took that out. And I also got this from Amazon to label my months on there, but I haven't done that yet. So that's what was in this pocket. So when you open it up, the first thing is this little bookmark thing I'm using. And this was the little wrap around. When you buy the notebook, it had a wrap around thing on there. And this is what this is. I just put a hole in there. And because I just love how the silver look with the blue, I just love it. If I can find a bookmark that's like a silver look like that, I'll definitely use this. But I probably would not buy a new one because it's working. I just love this, okay? And it was free, it's cheap and it works. So I just put a hole in it and I'm using it. So when you open the planner, this is the first page. This is my monthly dashboard and it's undated. I don't have any kind of date on here. I was going to do that, but I got lazy because then I would have to create 12 different pages of this. And I just got lazy, y'all. So when you open it up, it have a monthly overview and I have a note section up here. I love to write a lot. I have a note section and then it starts from Sunday to Saturday and it's just 5 weeks and I can date it whenever. And the next part in here, I love the hourly layout. I've been using it. I don't know, it just works for me, especially when homeschooling and working. I have each hour dedicated. But I created this instead of using a passion planner, one I have. I kind of copied this from the passion planner because I just love the way there is set up. Let me show you. I have a blank page because I'm still using this for the month and I just put it in front of this. This is the passion planner cover insert for the hourly thing. I love it. But they have a lot of things up here that I didn't really use. So I just make a hourly layout to my liking, to what works for my life. So, and it goes from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Just repeat. I have like 4 weeks in here and it repeat for 12 months total in here. So this is my daily planner. And then this right here, I'm reusing this cover again. This is from the Happy Planner. I've been using this cover for like more than 3 years now. So I'm reusing this cover and I'm going to use this. Let me get my other planner and show y'all. I'm still not organized, y'all. So this planner right here, when I started school, I got this planner from Hobby Lobby. It's a Hobby Planner Classes School Planner. It's like a teacher's planner. And I love the layout when I was doing school. Okay, and then after like 3 weeks, I misplaced my planner and I couldn't find it. So I went back and get a new one. And then when I came back home, like a week later, I found my old planner in my backpack. So then I had 2 planners. So then I just put this one up and just, use the other one for school. And, that was done with, but I had this extra planner and I said, what am I going to do with it? And I was looking through my list. I'm like, I still love the layout for my school. So I'm going to keep that. So what I did was I split this planner up. So in here, this is what it looks like. Usually it will come, the planner was like, it had a front dashboard, and then it will go into the monthly, and then it will go into the weekly, and like that, it will go into the weekly. So I separated two planner out to have my college planner and my scripture Bible study planner. So what I'm planning on, the way I'm planning on using this is I'm going to write my whole scripture that I'm doing for the month. I'm going to date it, and then what scripture I'm going to be studying for each day, I'm going to write it in here. So Matthew 10:12, I'm just going to write it in here. And then for that specific day when I'm studying, I'm going to come to the blank page, and I'm going to write down, after I read the scripture, what I'm feeling, what I think it is, write it in here. So this is going to be for my scripture writing. And this is just what this is at all. That's all for my Bible study. So now this one for my college planner, it's just going to have, it's not going to have any kind of month. I'm just going to put a syllabus for each class. And I'm going to start right here for the week, what needs to be done, what class, and what is due and a due date. And that's all I'm going to use for this. So it just turned out so great. I didn't have to buy any kind of planner for that. I just played that up, and then I just used the old cover I have. So the last thing I have up here is my budget planner. And y'all, I made all of this. I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm so I have so much energy right now. I'm going to move all of this out of the way. Okay, I'm going to put this here. But this is my budget planner. I'm so proud of this. So for my budget planner, what I wanted the monthly to have my bill due date. I wanted a spending tracker, monthly budget, sinking funds, plan to buy, and saving tracker. Hopefully I have all of that in there. But I designed this cover. Okay, I designed this cover, and I love the way it looks. But I screwed up. As you can see, this is plain in the back. And the reason it's plain in the back because I punched a hole on the wrong side. So instead of having this cover being like this, punching a hole on this side, punching on this side. So now my cover is like this. But it's fine. It is fine. I still know that design is up there, and I'm not gonna print another one. That's just gonna waste stuff I don't need. It is functional. I have a cover. That's all that matters. But here is the inside of my planner. I have a blank page. I'm trying to figure out what I want for sinking funds in there. But when you open it up, let me take this. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You just open it up. It goes to a goal page, which is not really on my list, but I wanted it on there. So I made it. So you just have a goal page, and you just have 3 goals, just because I didn't want to overwhelm myself. So I only did 3 goals, and this is going to be for my budget, my life. 3 goals is going to be in here. So maybe my money, my life, and my case. I don't know yet. Maybe I should put that in the honor planner, but I'm probably going to leave it in here. So I have a goal page. And then when you come in here, the next page is my saving tracker. And my saving tracker, it just have the bank, where the money is, and then I have the each month. Let me see if I can zoom in if you can see. It has like the each month and what I save, and it's just gonna put it up there in whatever bank. I only have like 4 bank account, my USA and my Navy Federal checking and savings. So I don't know why I have all this space, but and it's a little bit crooked, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit crooked. Anyway, it's fine. I can go back and edit it later. So then when you move to the next part, I have my bill expense tracker. So that's what's on this side. And then next part, I have my sinking funds. And I just have some pages of these. Multiple pages, because I'm going to have a lot of sinking funds. So this page was something I am proud of I came with, because I want to help myself be more disciplined when it comes to my planner. But just plan to buy page, I don't know what to name it, but I'm planning to buy it, or I may not buy it. And then I have a lot of these because I have a spending problem. My Amazon account tell me I have a spending problem. So then after all of this, it comes into the month of budgeting. So this is what I was talking about for a monthly view, that I can just list the date and what is due for that date. And this is what this is for. And I have a note section on the bottom. So then whenever you flip it around, so this is what I'm going to do my monthly planning. I have my income, my bill expenses, and then I have the budget actual amounts. And then up here I have a note section, and then I have a sinking fund, what amount I'm going to be contributing to the sinking funds. And then I have my debt. I'm not going to be paying my student loan this year because I'm in school and I need to pay for it. And I need to have some kind of savings set in place and emergency fund. But I want to have this up here to remind me how much money I own and to help me better plan. So I have that section in here. And then you flip it around, just have my expense tracker, and then it just repeats. I have two expense tracker and it just repeats to the monthly view. So this is what I have for 2024. I have my budget planner. I have my homeschool planner. I have my daily planner. I have my college planner. And then I have my Bible study planner. Thank you so much for sticking around watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and have a blessed day.